So I just wanted to say something first about practice partners and what that means in Tantra. Because if I was a guy here tonight, I'd go, oh, there's only 2 women. I was hoping for more. And sometimes it's the other way around. Sometimes we have a lot more women. And what we say in Tantra is we can practice love with anyone. You don't have to be the right shape. You don't have to be the right look. You don't have to have the right personality. You don't have to be the right sex. I can still practice loving you. And that's what we're going to do tonight. And I might have even walked out in my most weirdest, confused dating time. We had somebody here walk out because it wasn't their kind of thing. And that's what people do. But the opportunity is there, and that's what Tantric Dating is about. Everyone's an opportunity to become a more loving person.